Affiliate Funnel Clones 2.0 is your Swiss Army knife for generating leads and affiliate sales. This cloud-based platform gives you everything you need to generate new leads and affiliate commissions every single day. Truth is, making money online is actually pretty simple. And although the basics haven't changed, most marketers, both new and experienced, don't have the resources or shortcuts to break through. Whether that's making your first dollar or scaling to job-replacing income. And that's not your fault. You get bombarded with sketchy techniques that don't work long-term. Often the technology requires a degree in rocket science. So you end up with a collection of tools, incomplete methods, poor results, and a massive headache. Look, you have not been given a fair shot. It's simplicity of Affiliate Funnel Clones 2.0. The user logs in, inserts their affiliate link, and drives traffic from one of their traffic resources. It's as easy as 1 to 2 to 3. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based Affiliate Funnel Clones 2.0 dashboard. Step 2. Connect autoresponder. One time takes 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Insert affiliate link and save. That's it. You will now be able to receive leads and generate sales on autopilot, with no domain, no hosting, and no coding whatsoever. They've even included their top traffic sources that they personally use to generate leads and sales for these Affiliate Funnel Clones 2.0. This is truly the best way for anyone who wants to build a list and get on launch leaderboards to get started fast and easy with this entirely automated platform. Features: 5 proven to convert all-inclusive campaigns for daily commissions and leads, traffic included. Build your list while driving profits on 100% autopilot. No website, no list, no website needed. 100% beginner-friendly with multiple scaling opportunities for even advanced marketers. 5 proven to convert evergreen funnels and recommended products and traffic, PLR, social media, video marketing, internet marketing, the flexibility to choose any offer you want, replace any offer with choices from Jitsu, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, CPA and other networks, premium lead magnets and exit pop-ups with every landing page to maximize conversions, ability to split test offers in real time so you can scale effortlessly. Cookies pages for even more commission opportunities. Build a list while making sales, completely passively, no hosting needed. We cover your hosting needs on premium servers. Connect with any autoresponder, even store your leads on our servers, over the shoulder. In-depth video training included. Proven traffic sources. Tap into our favorite methods to driving converting traffic. 100% beginner friendly, no domain, no website, no coding needed. FAQ. Q. Are these funnels copy and paste? A. Yes, they only take 3 steps to make them work for you. Q. Will this work on my Mac? A. As Affiliate Funnel Clones is cloud-based, you can run it on any device you have. It will work exactly the same, with nothing to install. Q. Do I need hosting or a domain? A. With Affiliate Funnel Clones, everything is included to take someone with no experience and give them all the tools to succeed with online. Q. How do I know the funnels are top converting? A. We have taken our very best funnels and used the exact copy, from the emails to the landing pages and offers. We know they work as they worked for us and our beta testers. Q. Can this be used in more than one niche? A. Yes. Affiliate Funnel Clones was conceived as a multi-niche platform and includes a wide array of niche categories like e-com, affiliate marketing, local business, SEO, traffic generation, video marketing, social media marketing, and many more. Q. Do I have to know coding? A. If you can type and email, you are overqualified. You can do this if you can copy and paste. Q. Can I split test offers? A. Yes, we love to do that ourselves, so it's also offered in this product. You can even do it in real time. Just change the link, save and voila! It's live.